Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Pinterest account on Android. Firstly, before I start with this explanational video, I need to mention that there is no difference between deleting Pinterest account on Android or deleting Pinterest account on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple steps. Firstly, get up into your profile section, tap on your upper side by clicking on the three dots, go for settings, then you need to scroll right down and you're gonna find out get help section, go for it, and it will bring you up to the Chrome app section on Google. Then on the search box type for delete. Right after you get up right there, go for it article. In here guys, you're gonna be able to get up know how to delete your account and simply giving up your sessions on it. And first you need to unlink your site and it will shows up to the main point of this video. Here guys, you can find out on this description how you can get up and delete your account. Also, by simply clicking on this section which is with underline, you can go up and set up to delete your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.